Hey guys, it's Mo from AutoCraze. Welcome once again. I've got a PX2 over here, but over there I've got a picture of a PX1 that's got some beautiful grid GTO 5 wrapped with the Nino Terra grapplers. That's my man Mark AKA OOS OOS. He's here today with his brand new upgrade PX2. Loyalty is above all. End of the day, this customer's been loyal to us. He's back today to get more mods. Now the list of mods are going to be as follows. We're going to be doing the rival front bar. We're going to be doing the Thunder Winch. We're also going to be doing a Dobinson 2-inch lift. We're also going to be doing the latest and the greatest thing out of Rival, which is the Rival rear bar. Yes, you've seen it done before with us in other videos. And the last thing we're going to be putting on is the roller R cover. It's automated, Australian made, and it's an unbelievable thing, and it works with your sports bar. Stay tuned guys, and check this Ranger out.